Alrighty, you know we on our second car. This is gonna be for next week's Wednesday's walk around. So for you guys that's seeing it, it'll be for this Wednesday walk around. We got the 2013 Lexus Is250 F Sport. Look at that. I'm already digging this more than the Infinity already. Probably because I'm biased to Toyota and Lexus. So hey, that's just me. I'm biased to the Toyota and Lexus. That's just me. Oh, let's get up out of here and take a walk around of this. Put my phone right there. Grab the key so she don't lock on me, but she probably wouldn't. Take a look at that Lexus Is 2013 Lexus Is250 F Sport. Look at that thing. Thing look good, don't it? Beautiful looking car. Just rained this morning, so I'm pretty sure when I look at the pictures online, it's probably gonna be nicer cleaned up than this, but it's a little dirty right now. So boom, we'll just first little walk around, let you guys see it, open the doors up, let y'all see that interior. Got the suede inserts with the leather outserts. You know how you gotta have the sports seats, man. Look at that. See, look at that. See, that just shows. See, I worked in Toyota in 2013. Because this Is250, I think this is compared to the Toyota. It's this comparable to I believe the Toyota Camry, if I'm not mistaken. No, it's either way. If it's compared to the Corolla or to the Camry, this doesn't look like a 2013 Toyota Camry. This looks like a Lexus. This doesn't look like a 2013 Toyota Camry. See, Lexus has its own look. It doesn't. You see this? It's not looking like no Toyota. You don't look. But when you look at the Infinity, you like, man, that looks like that's a Nissan. But yeah, we're gonna pop it open, do another walk around for you. Then we'll get to the end of this. I'm out there, get down, get those angles, have that car butterflied up for you, how the customer looking like, man, that's a beautiful car. And then it's a Lexus. Toyota and Lexus, man, they basically sell themselves. Hondas as well. Acuras don't really sell as much as I don't know. Like for me, I believe like the luxury car brands, like how they sell. Like I'm not going to exclude most of them, but for me, I feel like Lexus, and then it's probably Infinity. To me, I believe Infinity probably sells a little bit more than Acura. Then it's probably Acura. Then it goes on from there. But I believe Lexus. Let me take that back. It's probably Mercedes, BMW, then Lexus. Lexus probably falls in third on sale. Probably, because I know a lot of people, they get Mercedes and BMW, they lease a lot of them. A lot of people will get, I know a lot of people will get the Lexus. They plan on keeping them just because, you can keep a Lexus for a long time. It's like a Toyota, but look at that. Take a look at that interior, man. Car beautiful, sell itself. Lexus Is250 Sport F, needs another detail. So, but it's gonna sell itself, Somebody wants this Lexus Is250 F Sport, Definitely if they buy it, replace those headlights. Those headlights is all fogged up. So either replace them or just clean them up, but probably best to replace it. That's what I would do if I bought it. I would just replace them, make the car look even better. It's a black car, man. Like I would think it'll look great. It'll look great in white as well. The only thing about black cars, man, they're beautiful when they're cleaned up. It's just hard, keeping them clean. Especially with the weather we deal with here in Oklahoma. One day it's sunny, next day it's raining. So always keep you at the car wash and stuff like that. But nice car comes with the standard features of a luxury car. Sunroof, heated seats. This one don't have the cool seats. Cool seats will make it a lot better, but it doesn't. I'm not too worried about that. It does have the paddle shifters, unlike the Infinity. Not hating, but the Infinity didn't have those paddle shifters. But seats are comfortable. I can let my seat all the way back. Still be enough leg room for the kids in the back. So a lot of leg room for me. That's what, you know me, I'm tall, man. I need that leg room. Don't even have to have the, it's got a lot of leg room. Don't even have to have the seat all the way back. But yeah, like I said, nice vehicle. If you haven't thought about a Lexus, I mean, you know, Lexus is a great car, you know. But Lexus, me, I don't know what my next car honestly gonna be. I like the Lexus. I forgot about Porsche too. Porsche is a great brand too. That's probably like my thing. Like if my next car that I really want, like that I would probably get, it's not gonna be new or anything like that. It's probably be like a 13, 14. It's like the Porsche Panamera. They're white with the like tan interior. Man, that's just, those Porsche Panameras are just beautiful looking cars. That's like one of the cars I do want. I'll get one of these days. Not gonna rush into it and get anything like that. But you know, we're about to end this video. Could you see yourself driving this vehicle? And also the link, like I said, and like you guys know from this point on, the link of these cars be in the description, the price. So let me know if this price is a good price for this vehicle, and also let me know if you would drive this vehicle. But I appreciate you guys. I'm out. See you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate you guys. Bye.